Hello, in today's video, we are going to buy everything that you need equipment-wise for under $1,000 so that you can start your lawn care business today. Many of my friends are asking me to get into lawn care and they're saying that, hey, we only have a budget. We have a budget to start of $1,000. I don't want to use my home equipment, which is fair. What do you think I should start out with? I say the three main things. You need a mower, you need a trimmer, and you need a blower. Boom, 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 boom. Honestly, a blower just is quicker. You really use a push broom and that would be okay. So I was like, hey, this is a good video idea, and let's show all these new people that are getting into lawn care and landscaping, lawn care life, lawn care nation, that you can work with $1,000 as your budget in a lawn care business. So let's go and see what we can do. Also, just one thing, remember to always get the work before you buy the equipment, because it takes so long to get the work, but it only takes like 10 minutes to go to a register and pay for the stuff. So make sure you have the work before you spend the money.
Okay, so this Power Smart 2-in-1 push mower is probably the best and most cost-efficient mower that is at Home Depot for $238. You're not going to beat that, and everything else is higher than $400 range. So that's perfect for your intro to starting your own lawn care business. And second thing, like your blowers and your trimmers, I would always go with Echo. That's more or less the gas-powered side of the Home Depot, and going with the Echo blower for $218 doesn't hurt. You never want to do a curved shaft. You'll see why, because your back will hate you. You know, the straight shafts, the 225s, are probably going to be the best, and they come with a pre-speed feed, which if you don't have it for any of the other trimmers, it's like $50. So you're already saving money there. With the money that you save with that, because it comes about $700, you're going to be able to buy shovels and also probably some rakes, you know, landscape rake and some leaf rakes, some metal and this, and then you'll have more of an arsenal to make some money
For your buck, and it's a perfect thing to get you started, mixed with that, you know, 2520 Echo blower, and then the 225 trimmer. Like right there, those two is a perfect combo. You'll learn how to get so quick with those, and like you'll realize that your timing and everything is just gonna be phenomenal with the right tools. And as you keep going, you'll upgrade and whatever. And plus, it doesn't hurt that it's under $800, where you can get yourself another shovel and you can get yourself a rake. So like, you're honestly making money at that point, because now you got, you know, $200 extra to kind of put into the business with marketing or anything. So yeah. Okay, I hope you found this video a little bit helpful. Please leave a like and a comment. Tell me what models of stuff that you got, and make sure you subscribe, because that helps the channel. And I'll see you guys in the next one.